Hello, in this video, we're going to explore how to use the zoom controls feature on the Trupeer. Once you're on the video page, simply click on the zoom option. Here, you'll be able to see the zooms present in the video. If you're looking to manipulate a specific zoom, just select the zoom you'd like to adjust. Once you've selected it, you'll notice several options appear in the menu on the left. At this point, you can adjust the zoom position as needed. The zoom can be applied up to a maximum resolution. You can determine the appropriate zoom level by dragging the slide bar like so. Feel free to slide or drag the zoom level as desired, and also adjust the zoom speed if necessary. To select the zoom speed according to your needs, simply click on the timeline. Now, let's play the video. You'll see that the zoom has been adjusted according to your preferences. If you decide that the zoom is unnecessary, just click on the Delete Zoom option. And there you have it. The zoom has been removed. This is how you can utilize the zoom controls feature in Trupeer videos. Thank you for watching.